Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. One of the advantages of the 2023 Honda Pilot is that it still comes with a spare tire. No tire repair kits found here. That's good news for a lot of people. But what happens if you're in the midst of changing a tire, especially on a TrailSport like this, because you would maybe take it off-road and you run across this lug nut right here? That is called a wheel lock. So what do? Your lug wrench will work on the other four right here, but not this one. Well, here's the solution that you need to know about. Very simple. Most likely, it's going to be here in your glove box. But if not, at least you know what to look for. So this bag is what you're looking for. There's your wheel lock. There's your wheel lock key. And let's find out how talented I am. Can I do this one-handed? I believe I can. Barely, but yes. There we go. Here is the wheel lock key. This is what goes on the end of the lug wrench. You just insert that in and it fits right over the wheel lock. So in this case, we'll go right here to the wheel lock with the key. You can see that it goes on there. It fits snugly just like it should. And that is what you need right there to be able to change your tire with the wheel locks on the 2023 Honda Pilot. And the trick here is that a lot of people might ask, what happens if I have a wheel lock on my wheels from Honda? Can somebody just go out and buy one? The good news is that no, they can't. So those are actually made specifically for your vehicle. So that means that people can't go on eBay or Amazon and buy wheel lock keys for your 2023 Honda Pilot and be able to steal your tires and wheels. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.